Hello everyone. So in this video, we will learn about the AI search feature that TaxTMI is offering. So once you go to the AI tools button, it will show you various models or various tools on the left hand side. Let us click on the new search, and on this you can see a search bar, the models which you can select and the various filters. So let us start by typing a query, and from here I may choose either basic model or advanced model. We'll see how the results differ and what are the differences between both the models. So let us try with the basic model first, and I will choose income tax filter to show that we can refine our search or results based on the filters. So let us click on it, and basic model is quite faster than the advanced model. So let us wait for a few seconds, and in approximately 4 5 seconds, the result will be there. So yes, the results are out, and it shows me what filter I had applied, the query, and this is like a quick answer to my query, which it shows here AI overview, and in between it shows me the references of each line that it is writing. So when I take my cursor over it, it shows me the link, and by clicking on it, I can read the full document here. Now, when I go down on it, so first it will show me, I can rate it so that it will help our search feature improve. And on the below the rating option, we have supporting documents. So all the results that we got for our search query, it will categorize them into the various categories. So first, it will by default take me to the top results, and it is a mixture of the various categories. For now, it is the case laws, but here is one link which is of articles. Otherwise, this is usually a mix of the top results from all the categories. Then, if I wish to read only case laws, then it will show me that. And as we had applied the income tax filter, so it will show me only the income tax documents. So all these case laws are of income tax, these act rules are of income tax, and so on. All these are income tax relevant documents. So this is like a quick answer which I said again. Now let us try with the advanced model, and we'll try some other query. So I have put my query here, and let us start with the advanced model. For now, I'm not selecting any of the filters. However, if my query is suppose related to tariff, so I can go to the categories and select the tariff option. Advanced model usually takes a few seconds more than the basic model because it gives a more detailed report than the basic model. And let us wait for the results, and then I'll compare them. So the results are there. I guess it took approximately 10 seconds, 12 seconds. And so this is the AI overview. So as we saw in the basic model, it showed only suppose till here. This much it gave. And here again, there are inline references, which I can go and click and read them. Below that are the governing provisions for my query. So it gives me the link, and along with the link it tells me a quick summary that how is this link or this document relevant to my query. So you don't have to go to each of the document and read them. Similarly, below it are the case laws, and with each case law also it tells that from this case law this is the takeaway which I can use and in reference to my query. Then are the tariff or the classification links, a quick summary related to the tariff documents, and then how is each link relevant to my query. Then are the experts' views. In this, mostly discussion forum and article links are there. Then it gives the practical guidance also, that what are the next steps that I can do. So it tells that you can know the exact recipe. So the links which we get in the supporting documents for basic and the advanced model are somewhat same. So if you need only these links, then the basic model might be good for you. But if you also wish to know how each link is relevant to your query, or you wish to know this detailed report, you wish to get it, then the advanced model would be better. So in this also, top results would be a mix of all of these categories. And if you wish to read documents that are relevant to your query for that particular category, so you may click on it and then you can go to that link and read it. So we have seen both of these searches, and if I wish to know what was my previous search and what are the results of it, so I can go into the history and I can open it and the results will come up. So this is also an add-on feature which some tools do not give, but it is quite a useful feature because we prefer sometimes referring to what our previous searches were, and then if I do not wish to show it or if I do not wish to view it again, I can delete it. So for any queries regarding AI search, you can go to the FAQs here and click on the AI search. This will answer most of your queries. And mainly how our search is different from the keyword search is, suppose if you have a general query in your mind, so AI search would be better, because for keyword search you need to specifically know the keywords and then you have to read each of the document whether that document's meaning matches your intention of the query. However, the AI search understands the intention behind your query and gives results according to that. However, as we state here, for specific party names or exact terms, keyword search would be better. That if you specifically want a case for this particular party, this particular citation quote, or if you have a very particular case in your mind, then you may use the case laws filter or the global search filter. Now, how is the AI search that we are offering different from ChatGPT? Is of course one thing that everyone is suffering with is the hallucination that ChatGPT or Claude sometimes give or cite the citations or the documents or cases which are not even provided by the courts. And second is these filters that we are offering. You cannot use these filters in any of other tools. So this is also an add-on feature which we are giving, and it will help you refine results as well. So thank you, and you should try this AI search feature also. And let us know your queries, let us know your feedback, and we are always there to help you. Thank you so much.